Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have organizer privileges. That matters because only organizers create rooms. Once done, open meeting options and enable breakout rooms so the control appears in the meeting toolbar. Next, click the breakout rooms icon and choose the number of rooms you need. This immediately allocates placeholders. Make sure to set automatic or manual assignment, now depending on whether you want teams to split participants or let you assign them yourself. Now you move into detailed configuration. Pick automatic to let teams balance people or manual to place specific attendees where you want them. Once rooms exist, rename them to reflect tasks or groups and set a timer if you want automatic closing. Timers help keep sessions on schedule. You can also allow participants to return to the main room if you want open movement. Pre-assignments with a CSV are useful for recurring classes or large events because they save setup time. Open the rooms to start breakout sessions and then monitor activity by joining specific rooms when needed. Joining lets you answer questions and guide discussions. Use the broadcast feature to send announcements or a countdown to every room. This keeps everyone aligned. When the session ends, close rooms to return participants to the main meeting automatically and use the timeout warning to give a final minute. If rooms fail to open, check organizer role and meeting policy settings first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.